Listen, I just got off work. There's a couple spots down here that I've been meaning to try out. Didn't really fit in with like a theme, I feel like. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. We're gonna hang out today. We're gonna hit up this churro spot. It's called Churro Mania. They opened up in a Walmart. I kept seeing them pop up on IG. The fresh churros, apparently. Fresh churros, they got all kinds. They got stuffed, they got drizzled, they even got a churro hot dog. I might try that. It looked a little bit interesting. It's a churro, they cut it down the middle and it's got a hot dog with like a spicy mayo, and they got like little crispy potato chips. And the other spot I wanted to try out is Culver's. They say that it's the In-N-Out of the Midwest. I never had it before. I know it's down here. And the reason I wanted to try it out is that last month I went to Wisconsin. One of the Uber drivers, she told me that Culver's had the best cheese curds in Wisconsin. I was like, what? That's crazy. The fast food place? She said, yeah. I said, is it better than all these restaurants? And she said, yeah. It's better. It's the best. So, good thing I didn't have enough time to really try out some cheese curds out there. And so I guess good thing they got Culver's down here in a couple different spots in Orlando. But Orlando, you're gonna find every fast food spot usually opens up down here because of all the tourism. So I'm glad I'm gonna be able to finally try those out. And they have butter burgers. I don't know why they call them butter burgers. That's just what it is. All right, I'll meet you guys there. All right, we just left the Walmart. It's actually in the middle entrance of this Walmart over here in Goldenrod. We're right near the airport. And we got the churro hot dog and churro bites with Nutella and dulce de leche. We're gonna start off with the churro hot dog, or the churro dog as they called it in there. Oh yeah, let's see if my wife likes it. Let's see if I like it. The churro hot dog is actually really good. I wish they used a different type of hot dog, Frank, because it's I believe it's ballpark Franks. Maybe if they use Nathan's, I think it would taste a little bit better. But it does taste good. It's crunchy. It has good flavor from the ketchup, from the mustard, and the churro, the dough, the bread itself is amazing. It has great flavor. I'm gonna rate it 8.8 out of 10. I would definitely stop by and get this again. If you're near the airport, you should too. And ¿cuánto nos costó? $7, creo.
7.
Yeah, it was $7. It was worth it. It's a huge hot dog. We definitely had no issue sharing it. But would I stop by and get this again? Maybe. If I'm in the area and I'm hungry, I'll probably like, oh yeah, they got those good hot dogs over there. The churro dogs. Alright guys, we're about to try the churro bites. These, you get a choice of regular sugar or cinnamon sugar, Nutella, guava jam, or dulce de leche. We got dulce de leche and Nutella. Check these out. They are super stuffed too. Cheers.
Lindo.
First bite. Actually, the whole bite. Rico. Let's try the dulce de leche too. This one's better. That's just mejor. I like the dulce de leche one better. Alright, so they actually tasted great. The Nutella one was slightly too sweet. The better one that I preferred, and my wife also, is the dulce de leche. I think our daughter's gonna love the Nutella one, because she loves Nutella, and she loves sweets too. But definitely a really good churro. I think that's what I would do. And what I suggest you do if you're going to stop by here is to get the long churros and just get little cups of their dipping sauces. That's probably your best bet if you don't like overly sweet desserts. But if you do, then I guess, you know, it won't make a difference to you. Alright, let's head to the next stop. Culver's, the In-N-Out of the Midwest. I can't wait to try it. I've been waiting so long. The time has finally arrived. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it to Culver's. Glad you're here with me to try it for the first time. Let's see, I'm excited. I think we're gonna do the drive-through, and then maybe I'll get off and film a little B-roll. Alright, there's about 3 cars in line ahead of us. It's not bad. It looks like it's pretty packed inside. So I'm thinking the food's gonna be good. Pretty excited to try it out. All right, they have a QR code here. I'm gonna scan it. All right, let's check out the menu while we wait here. I know I'm gonna get the butter burger. Butter burger. Is that different from the Culver's Deluxe? I don't know now. If it's different or it's the same.
Thank you for choosing Culver's. What can I make best for you today?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good, thank you. Let me see. I have a question for you. Are they all butter burgers, or is it different? Is it cooked differently?
Yes. All of the burgers are are butter burgers. The only difference between the butter burger and the deluxe is that deluxe is already set up for all the toppings. That has lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, mayo, and American cheese.
Okay. All right. So can I get 2 double Culver's Deluxe, but with cheddar cheese? And let me have an order of cheese curds, an order of onion rings, and an order of fries. And can I get 2 cheese sauce on the side?
Okay.
And that's everything.
It's going to be $26.12 at the window.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
All right. So I'm sure you guys heard that. Every burger here is a butter burger. I didn't know that. I thought it was like different from because one of them's called the Culver Deluxe and the Culver, and then they got the butter burger separate. So I thought it was different types of burgers, but it's the same. It's just set up with lettuce, tomato, mayo, and ketchup and American cheese. But I asked her to substitute that for the Wisconsin cheddar cheese. So let's see. And I got like 3 sides. I don't know if the other items here, you know, like are they known for the chicken sandwich? I didn't hear about that, so I didn't choose that off the menu. If it is, leave me a comment down below. If they have a good fish sandwich and chicken sandwich, I'm gonna come back and try it. Otherwise, I've only heard that they're good for the burgers and cheese curds from that lady in Wisconsin, that Uber driver. And I just wanted fries with cheese sauce, so no reason for why I ordered that, just that I wanted it. Alright, let me get my order here. Alright, so she told me to pull up and they're gonna bring it out to me. She put a little number sticker on my rear view mirror without my consent. That's alright though, it's not an issue. But we just pulled up to the side here. I guess they bring it out to your car? I don't know how it works here. It's my first time. I don't know, 14, 15, 16. We're all here. Sitting ducks in a row. Where's my food? All right, we got our entire order here. I'm not sure if they cook the burgers fresh there or what, but it was like a 10-minute wait. We had to pull off to the side and somebody brought us our order. Let's see if we got everything. Let's start off with the sides. These are the onion rings. Comencemos con las cebollitas primero. Probémoslo. Cheers. First bite here. 7 out of 10. I like that it's an actual onion in here. I forget where it was. I think it's Burger King. It's like mushed up onions. I don't know. I hate that one though. Alright, next up, the cheese curds. Esto es queso frito. Cheers. Check this out. So there's white cheese and yellow cheese. Maybe it's cheddar cheese or 2 types of cheddars. But it really tastes like fried mozzarella sticks. It's actually pretty good too. It's not bad for a fast food place. I don't know, if they're breading these fresh. Mozzarella stick, maybe a tad bit salty, but still pretty good. Got some of the Wisconsin cheddar cheese sauce. Let's dip this fried cheese in the cheddar cheese sauce. See if it's any better. My wife gives it a 0 out of 10. I think she doesn't like fried mozzarella sticks, so I give it a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's not the best I've ever had, but is this really the best fried cheese curds? Leave me a comment down below. Let us know. All right, guys, we got the Culver's Deluxe. The time has come. We're finally gonna taste this. All right. I'm hoping it's good and I have to go back and get a full burger. Cheers. Alright, it's actually pretty good, especially for a fast food burger. I'm not sure if it's like In-N-Out. I never had In-N-Out. One day, hopefully soon, I make it out to an area where they have In-N-Out. But this is actually pretty good. I'm gonna give it though a 7.5 out of 10. Would I eat this again? I don't. It's not a once in a lifetime, but if I'm in the area, I'd probably get this. I'm not going out of my way for this burger though. It's not one of those top tier, you know, I gotta have this burger. Alright guys, we're done with the video. Two kind of random spots that I just put them together into this vlog, just hanging out. If you didn't like the video at all, put a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you did like it, I'll catch you in the next video.